What's going on, YouTube? I am here to show you how you can use your phone only to make a YouTube video. I'm literally going to use my phone throughout this whole thing. I'm going to edit it on my phone. I'm going to take the video on the phone. I'm going to go outside on my phone and walk around because I know y'all going to get bored if I don't. So, let's go. So a lot of people are wanting to make a lot of money on YouTube. And there's only one way to do it. And that is posting a video. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, is I'm gonna post me a video of how you can make some money off of YouTube. Now, keep in mind, in order to make YouTube, you have to be monetized. Come on, Cupcake, let's go. Yeah, I got my dog with me. And we're going on a little walk to the mailbox, I think. That's Cupcake. But anyway, so in order to be monetized on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers. And you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 months. So, let's do the math here. I need 1,000 subscribers and I need 4,000 hours of watch time. How hard is it really to get somebody to watch some of my videos for 4,000 hours? Not hard at all, is that actually. As long as you're making a video that's over 10 minutes long and people click through it and you make it interesting for somebody to watch it, you're going to get one person watching one 10-minute video. Now imagine if you have 1,000 people watching one 10-minute videos. How many hours is that? Let's do the math. 10,000 hours. I think I did that right. But anyway, he'll catch me if I'm wrong. I got my mail. Cupcake, ready to go? Let's do it. Come on. So, 4,000 hours, easy. The hardest part is getting those 1,000 subscribers. I have an announcement to make. I have finally reached 100 subscribers. That was tough. Now, how did I reach 100? Would you like to know how you can reach 100 subscribers? Look, I know people are like, man, it should be easy to reach 100 subscribers. I know 100 people. Trust and believe. I'm Brother Herb. I know way more than 100 people. I know thousands of people. Thousands. Now, what's so hard about getting people to press the subscribe button? Come on, let's go. Cupcake. The hardest thing about getting somebody to press the subscribe button is forgetting to remind them to press the subscribe button. That's the hardest thing. And guess who forgets to do it all the time? Who has two thumbs? Can't see my other thumb. But this guy. Come on. Get in the house, Cupcake. Thank you. So, remind your people that watch your videos to hit the subscribe button. Second way, I helped myself gain 100 subscribers, only 100. Seems like a daggone an applause or something is worth freaking doing, because golly, it's been a whole month and I'm just now getting 100 subscribers. But what I did, I utilized my Facebook, my Instagram, and I utilized YouTube. I shot everybody on my Facebook that I know personally a message of one of the videos saying, hey, I need your help. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe right now. Lots of people was like, oh, yeah, I got you. Some of them didn't log on to YouTube to be able to subscribe. They have to be logged into YouTube. So I missed out on those, but a lot of them did subscribe. So hence, that's how I got my 100. That was probably the hardest thing to do. I don't know why. It's like, look, I know you guys love me. I'm Brother Herb. But it took them forever to freaking subscribe. And I'm still working on it. So right now, as of today, I think I have 108 subscribers. And my goal is to reach, let's make little goals at a time. Thanks, Reyes, the entrepreneur. He really harps on making small goals and reaching those goals. So my first goal for my YouTube channel was to reach 1,000 subscribers in 2 weeks. That is so unlikely. I'm not famous. Yes, I feel like I'm famous, but that the world sees differently. So my dreams of being monetized within a month have diminished. So now I'm going to make smaller goals for myself. So as of today and 1 week from now, I plan to be at 125 subscribers. So I just need, what's the math? 19 more, 15 more subscribers. I don't know. Somewhere, it's less than 20 subscribers that I need to hit 125 subscribers. And I plan on doing that before today is iWatch synchronized. Today is Wednesday, the 6th, November 2019. I plan on hitting 125 subscribers by 6 days from now. So November the 12th. If I haven't reached that goal, which I should, because I'm going to go grind. I mean, even if I got to go stand out on a corner and hold up flyers with probably like that little dancing man that be outside of the car dealerships doing all this. This little guy is funny. Just look at him. You cannot not laugh at this dude. I'll probably do that just so I can get some subscribers. But I'm going to do whatever it takes. Whatever it takes. To get my subscribers. Okay? So, whoever's watching this video, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now. Please. Help me monetize. Because I promise you, I got some really good works in the making. I got great ideas, green screens. Like, I really want to redo a movie. Like, I want to be able to, like, produce my own TV show, like Power. Like, I want to direct, edit, cast. I want to do it all. Like, trust me, I'm going to get there. I just need your help, though. Hit that subscribe button. But 4,000 hours, 1,000 subscribers. The hardest thing is the subscribers. The hours, don't worry about that. You're going to get those as long as you have at least a video for at least 10 minutes long. Make them catchy. Everybody's like, hey, I'm going to get bored. Yeah, I know looking at somebody talk can get very freaking boring. But guess what? I'm here and you're there. But yeah, so subscribe. I'm going to say it again. Subscribe. Thank you. What other tips do you want to? Okay, well, let me think of what else have I done to reach my 100 subscribers? I text everybody I knew. I text everybody I knew a link to my daggone YouTube page. And I think 89 of them subscribed. What else? I'm in the Army. So I see a lot of people on a daily basis. And if I make them laugh, don't mind the wall on the back. I'm still in the process of painting. But if I make them laugh, I'll be like, look, check out my YouTube page. Like, subscribe, and comment below. You know, all the good jazz you hear every day on YouTube. But yeah, just everybody you talk to, everybody you see, get them to hit that like button. Because the more likes and subscribes you get, the more people on the internet are going to see that and be like, oh, man, they must be talking about something really interesting. Let me click. Oh, and lastly, what I did to gain like 5 subscribers is I was going to use my own goddamn money. And I'm going to buy me an iPhone 11 that I can raffle off to somebody. But I said I got to reach 10,000 subscribers before I do it. There was math there done. 10,000, one iPhone, $1,000, and some AirPods. I would have bought 2 iPhones, 2 AirPods, 3 AirPods. I don't know. I would have been able to buy a whole lot of that after I hit 10,000. But I was moving a little too fast. So take your time. Take your time. But I still am going to be using, I still am going to do the iPhone 11 giveaway. My plan to do that is by right before Christmas, maybe like 2 weeks, December the 14th. I want to be able to ship away the iPhone 11 to whoever wins. And I want to be able to send somebody some money for whoever wins the $100. 10. I'm giving away $100 bills to 10 people, and I want to give out one set of AirPods. So I want to be able to do that, but I need you to subscribe. So subscribe. Stop. I hate when I talk about look do that. Did you do that? I hate that. See, now I was doing that on purpose, but it really goes this way. Yeah. So but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now because I got like 3 other videos I need to edit and post that were for Halloween. But hey, it's a little past Halloween now. But anyway, subscribe. Bye.